Hello everyone. I'm so glad you're here because today we're going to talk about something that affects so many of us, our skin and how we feel about it. Let's talk about those unwelcome spots, pimples, that can really knock your confidence. Whether you're a teen, an adult, or anywhere in between, breakouts can make you feel self-conscious and frustrated. Many of you have tried countless products only to end up with red, dry, irritated skin. It's exhausting to keep searching for that miracle fix, only to be disappointed again and again. Sometimes being too aggressive is the problem. Scrubbing harder or using stronger products can actually make things worse, not better. Your skin needs care and balance, not a constant assault. It's easy to forget that our skin is delicate and needs to be treated with respect. That's why I want to introduce a gentler approach. Instead of fighting your skin, let's learn to support it. Natural remedies work with your skin, aiming to soothe and heal. Ingredients like aloe vera, honey, and green tea can calm irritation and help your skin recover. They often have fewer side effects and help restore your skin's natural barrier. When your skin barrier is healthy, it can protect itself and heal more quickly. Harsh treatments can disrupt your skin's ecosystem, stripping away good oils and triggering more oil production. This can leave your skin feeling tight, flaky, and even more prone to breakouts. This leads to a frustrating cycle of dryness, irritation, and more breakouts. It's a loop that's hard to break, but you're not alone in this struggle. So let's explore a kinder way. Imagine treating your skin like you would a friend, with patience, understanding, and gentle care. This journey is about understanding your skin and nourishing it from the inside and out. What you eat, how you manage stress, and your daily habits all play a role in your skin's health. We'll look at simple, effective remedies you might already have at home. You don't need expensive products. Sometimes the best solutions are right in your kitchen. We'll build a routine that feels like self-care, not a chore. Taking care of your skin can be a relaxing, enjoyable part of your day. This isn't about a magic overnight cure. Real change takes time, and that's okay. It's about making smart, consistent choices for lasting results. Small steps repeated daily can lead to big improvements over time. Let's start this journey to clearer, happier skin together. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community cheering you on. You deserve to feel good in your own skin, and with a little kindness and patience, you absolutely can. To truly tackle acne, it's important to understand what's happening beneath the surface of your skin. Acne isn't just a surface issue, it's a complex process that starts deep within your pores, and knowing the science behind it can help you make better choices for your skin health. Pimples begin to form when your skin produces excess oil, which then mixes with dead skin cells. This sticky combination can block your pores, creating the perfect environment for pimples to develop. It's a natural process, but certain factors can make it worse. Hormones play a huge role, especially during puberty, menstruation, or even times of stress. These hormonal changes can send your oil glands into overdrive, making your skin oilier than usual and increasing the risk of clogged pores. Stress and certain foods, like those high in sugar or grease, can also ramp up oil production. While diet alone doesn't cause acne, it can definitely make existing breakouts worse for some people. Contrary to popular belief, acne isn't about having a dirty face. In fact, overwashing or scrubbing your skin too hard can strip away natural oils, causing irritation and sometimes making acne even more stubborn. The real culprits are often the things that come into contact with your face every day, like your phone, pillowcases, or even your own hands. These can transfer bacteria and dirt, which can get trapped in your pores. Once your pores are clogged, a type of bacteria called P. acnes can thrive inside. This bacteria feeds on the trapped oil and multiplies, leading to redness, swelling, and those painful, inflamed pimples. So, acne is really a mix of too much oil, clogged pores, and bacteria all working together. It's a chain reaction that can be hard to break without the right approach. Remember, it's not your fault. Acne is a medical condition influenced by your body's natural processes and your environment. You're not alone in dealing with it. By understanding these root causes, you can make smarter, more informed choices for your skin. Knowledge is the first step toward healthier skin. Instead of blaming yourself or feeling frustrated, you can focus on finding effective solutions that target the real causes of acne. Addressing the underlying issues, like oil control, gentle cleansing, and keeping bacteria at bay, is key to seeing real improvement. Knowledge empowers you to care for your skin wisely, set realistic goals, and celebrate progress along the way. Let's move forward with this understanding, supporting each other and making choices that help our skin thrive. You're not alone in this journey. Many people are facing the same challenges and learning together. Let's work together to find solutions that truly work for you and help you feel confident in your own skin. Now, let's open nature's medicine cabinet and explore gentle, time-tested remedies for acne that nurture your skin rather than strip it. Many of these ingredients are probably already in your kitchen or bathroom, waiting to be discovered. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. It's been used for generations to target blemishes and calm redness, making it a favorite for those seeking a plant-based solution. Always dilute it with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, before applying to spots. This helps prevent irritation and ensures your skin gets the benefits without harsh side effects. Apple cider vinegar, when diluted, can be used as a toner to balance skin pH and fight bacteria. Its natural acids gently exfoliate, helping to clear pores and reduce breakouts over time. Start slowly to see how your skin reacts. Try using it just a few times a week at first, and always follow with a gentle moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. Aloe vera is soothing and hydrating with anti-inflammatory properties. It's perfect for calming irritated skin, reducing redness, and speeding up the healing of blemishes. Use pure gel after cleansing to calm and heal skin. You can even keep aloe gel in the fridge for an extra cooling effect, especially helpful after a long day. Honey and cinnamon make a great mask. Both are naturally antibacterial. Honey also draws moisture into the skin, while cinnamon helps boost circulation for a healthy glow. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Apply for 10-15 minutes, then rinse. This mask can be used once or twice a week for best results. Green tea is full of antioxidants. You can drink it or use cooled tea as a facial spritz. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin and protect against environmental stressors. These remedies work gently with your skin, not against it. They support your skin's natural barrier and encourage a healthy, balanced complexion. Consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles. Gentle care, practice daily, leads to lasting improvements and healthier skin in the long run. Always patch test new ingredients. This simple step can help you avoid irritation and find what truly works for your unique skin. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. If something feels too harsh, scale back and give your skin time to recover. Simplicity and patience go a long way. Sometimes less is more when it comes to skincare. Avoid harsh scrubs and stick to gentle natural options. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's barrier and make acne worse. Your skin will thank you for the kindness. Over time, you'll notice a calmer, clearer complexion. These remedies are easy to find and use at home. They're affordable, accessible, and can be tailored to your skin's needs. They support your skin's natural healing. With patience, you'll see gradual improvements that last. Let's make gentle care your new normal. Embrace the process and celebrate every small victory along the way. Clearer skin starts with a softer touch. Choose kindness for your skin and let nature do the rest. Consistency is the secret to success. Your skin loves a simple, predictable routine. In the morning, gently cleanse with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. Pat dry, don't rub. Use your diluted apple cider vinegar toner. Apply a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Spot treat with diluted tea tree oil if needed. Always finish with sunscreen. At night, double cleanse if you wear makeup. Start with an oil-based cleanser, then a gentle water-based one. Pat dry and use a gentle mask like honey and cinnamon a few times a week. Apply toner and a layer of pure aloe vera gel. Spot treat with tea tree oil as needed. Let everything absorb before bed. Change your pillowcase regularly to avoid bacteria. This routine is simple but powerful. Stick with it morning and night. Your skin will respond to gentle, consistent care. Make it a ritual you look forward to. What you eat matters for your skin. Focus on whole foods, colorful fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in zinc like pumpkin seeds and lentils. Antioxidants fight inflammation, supporting clearer skin. Watch out for high glycemic foods. White bread, sugary snacks, and fizzy drinks can trigger breakouts. Some people find dairy, especially milk, can worsen acne. Try reducing one group at a time and see how your skin responds. Hydration is crucial. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas like green tea and spearmint tea can help too. Manage stress. Chronic stress is a major acne trigger. Find what relaxes you: exercise, meditation, or hobbies. Regular exercise boosts blood flow and reduces stress. Prioritize sleep. Your skin repairs itself overnight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Small changes in diet and lifestyle can make a big difference. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Healthy habits support healthy skin. Let's bust some common acne myths. Acne isn't caused by being dirty. Overwashing can make it worse. Gentle cleansing once or twice a day is enough. Don't skip moisturizer if you have oily skin. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic one. Sun exposure doesn't cure acne. It can damage your skin and trigger more oil production. Always wear sunscreen, especially with acne treatments. You don't have to just wait it out. Acne can affect adults too. Untreated severe acne can cause scarring. You deserve effective care at any age. Myths can make things worse. Stick to science and gentle care. Seek help if you need it. Your skin can improve with the right approach. Don't let misinformation hold you back. Natural remedies work for mild to moderate acne, but sometimes you need extra help. If your acne is severe, painful, or causing scars, see a dermatologist. Professional treatments can prevent permanent damage and support your emotional well-being. If you've tried home care for months with no improvement, it's time for expert advice. Seeking help is a smart, strong choice. There are no overnight miracles. Healing takes time. Consistency is your best friend. Stick to your routine and healthy habits, even when progress feels slow. It can take 4 to 6 weeks to see real changes. Track your progress with photos or a journal. Celebrate small victories. Less redness, fewer breakouts, faster healing. Progress isn't always linear, but patience pays off. Be kind to yourself along the way. Trust the process and don't give up. Your skin is unique. Find what works for you. Every step forward is a win. You're on the right path. Clearer skin is possible with gentle, steady care. We've explored causes, remedies, routines, and lifestyle changes for clearer skin. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about healthy, happy skin you feel good in. Be gentle, nourish your body, manage stress, and stay consistent. This journey is about self-care and kindness, not just acne. Your skin tells a story, but it's not your whole story. Don't let acne define your worth. Treat your skin as a partner, not an enemy. You have the power to change your skin's story. Trust in gentle care and trust in yourself. Progress takes time, but you can do it. Every small step matters. You're not alone. Support is out there. Start with one positive change today. Here's to your health, happiness, and beautiful skin. You've got this. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration and tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you on your journey.